So my crazy delivery of new plates, glasses and cutlery have just arrived. And it looks like there's a lot here. I do not remember buying this much. Hello and welcome back. Today I've got this massive haul of new plates, bowls, cutlery, cocktail glasses, water glasses, everything, and I'm so excited to show you and unbox everything, and yeah. Alright, so now I've got my coffee and my knife and I'm going to get to opening these. And as I expected, lots of packaging. Look at all this. I know it's, I know because it's breakable or fragile stuff, it needs lots of packaging, but like, I feel like sometimes it's a bit over the top. Oh, here we go. I think these are some cocktail glasses by the looks of it. Let's have a look. So in this box, I have a little list. Let's have a look. So basically what I got some black kind of colored plates, some like a really nice kind of, it's called forest green, but a green dinner set, like plates and bowls. I got all these different types of cocktail glasses. So I got ones called Mai Tai, and I got some just old-fashioned glasses they're called, but I just want to use them as water glasses. They're quite nice. And some espresso martini glasses, pina colada glasses, and some black cutlery. And I've always wanted to get black cutlery. So like it's a brushed, like black titanium stainless steel. Like it's really cool. Also, don't mind my voice being a bit funny. I've got a bit of a cold and my nose is a bit blocked. So yeah, that's why I sound a bit weird. Alright, so I've just taken these out. I'm just going to head along and unbox the other two boxes because, as you can see, a lot of the stuff inside is just, rubbish and packaging. So I'll unbox everything and I'll bring you back in a sec. Alright, I'm all unboxed, and look at the amount of packaging. I hate how they do this, the amount of boxes and, bubble wrap everything, but it's just one of those things. But I'm very excited. This is looking very good. I've got all the boxes out, but I have not unpacked them yet. Alright, so we're all unboxed. Where shall we start? Let's start over here with these glasses. So these are going to be my water glasses. And yeah, these are quite nice. So I wanted something, I've had like plain stemless kind of style wine glasses, but these, that I've used as water glasses, but they are wine glasses. These, I just wanted some kind of nice, like, just nice drinking water glasses, like to set on the table and stuff. Like these are quite, got a little bit of interest to them. I don't know if you can see very well. I will unbox everything later and see properly, but it's having a really quick little look through. Apart from that, yeah, there's a lot of different cocktail glasses. I might just take them all out and show you. So here we go. I've unboxed all the plates. I've got the glasses here. So a lot of these glasses are really nice. So I've got, as you can see, my espresso martini glasses, some pina colada glasses, and some Mai Tai glasses. And these are really nice. They're like really thin and just kind of small. So that's a nice, as you can see on the box, espresso martini glass, and it's just a nice small shape. And I've got a few cocktail glasses already, but I've only got like a couple of, I've got martini glasses and like some tumblers, and that's about it. So these just, because I'm really into making different cocktails, these just create more interest and I can have different things in different glasses. I'll show you the pina colada glasses are so cool. They're like kind of pineapples, and I've got this really cool shape on them. And then moving down, the Mai Tai ones are actually kind of similar. They're just like this tubular. Again, they're really light, like nice thin glass, and they've got these really cool patterns on them. Moving on from there, I've already shown you the water glasses. So I've got 8 espresso martini cocktail glasses, 8 pina colada, 4 Mai Tai ones, and I've got 12 of the, I'll quickly show you again, 12 of these water glasses. Now, as I said, I've already got, especially with the plates, like I've already got all my normal everyday plates, but I really want to get some to, you know, when I'm cooking different foods or having people over, just something that's a bit different. I really like these black plates and bowls. I've got 2 sets of 4, so I've got 8 of each of the bowls, like bread or small plates, and 8 large plates. And the green ones are really interesting. I don't know, I wasn't 100% sure. I've kind of wanted green plates for a while. These ones are really cool in that they're very like square. The annoying thing is these don't seem to stack, but these are very flat, so it just would look really interesting, as you can see inside. Really interesting to have just different things, if it's dessert or if it's, you know, anything. It's just a bit different, and I quite like that. And same as these small plates as well, like they're flat and they've got the edges, so they could have something like, especially the dinner plates, they could have some sort of meal in there, but it can have some sauce and it won't run out the sides. And anyway, it's just interesting, and I'm sure I'll play around with them in my videos that I do soon and cook some things on these plates. But as I said, yeah, these are not my everyday plates. The black ones I quite like actually, but I will not use these every day. I do have my everyday white ones that I will still of course use. Oh, and I nearly forgot, I'll show you the black cutlery. I really like this black cutlery. Let's see. So there's the only thing that's a bit annoying is that it can't go in the dishwasher, but that's okay. Again, I've got normal cutlery. This will be more for like, again, special occasions. But look at that, look how cool that color is. And it's really funny, one of my best friends, she really wants gold cutlery, and I'm like, we always have this argument, like I really want like this brushed dark stainless steel, like it's a really nice dark color, and she always wants the gold, so I finally got mine. But no, they're very cool, and I think they are 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 6 of each of these. So just normal knife, fork, they're interesting shapes too, like they're very modern. Teaspoon and just normal dessert spoon. So yeah, thank you for watching my haul, and I will maybe insert a quick clip of me putting everything away. I've cleared out some drawers for all of this. But yeah, I feel like I went a bit overboard, but oh well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you want to see some more.